Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys, how can we change hotspot device name in our phone. Friends, you want to change your phone hotspot device name. So friend, how can you change, how can you rename your device name? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, when first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we rename our hotspot device name. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it, then click on guys your hotspot setting guys, tap here. Let's click on guys your setup portable hotspot setting and guys hotspot setting. Then click on your device name and then we will cut device name guys. No device name guys, we will change into mobile hotspot. Example होगा we will change into mobile hotspot like that guys, but guys you can change according to yourself. Example for guys, I am telling you I will change into mobile hotspot and get right side icon guys, tap here to change it. Then guys come back guys, you can see guys your hotspot device name will change in your phone mobile hotspot. So like that guys we can change it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.